In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can use split screen for multitasking on Windows. So let's get started. Click on the start button and here you have to click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, we have to simply locate this option system. Scroll down and you'll find multitasking, snap windows, desktop, and task switching. So here, make sure that snap windows is enabled. So in order to do the split screen, switch the button on right here. Okay, switch the button on and make sure all of these options are enabled or checked from here. Now once done, we need to, or you have here, show tabs for apps when sleeping or processing alt tab. You can 3 most recent tabs or you can 5 most recent tabs. Okay, so let me go with 3 most recent tabs. Now let me try. So let me open File Explorer, minimize it. Okay, like that. And then open Firefox, minimize it. Okay, and here let me just okay, like that. And then this one right here. Okay, so you can multitask. Okay, you can click on this file explorer and you can search right here on the Firefox browser. So that's it. That's how you can easily enable split screen for multitasking on Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.